Hey, what's up everyone, it is Tango Mac from Robert Halo 123 Productions. I got a snare drum. I'm going to show you how to set it up. I only have a snare drum. Snare drum. I'm going to show you how to set it up. First, take your drum out. Actually, I took the drumsticks out. Then it'll come with this. Hold on a sec. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Okay. And then you tighten it. There we go. And then we have this one. You put it at the height of your body. Then you tighten it. Now this part, whatever pose you want it at, this is the pose. Nice. There we go. And then you take your drum. And make sure it doesn't fall. And there you go. It does come with a drum pad. And it is a vacuum drum pad. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope this helped you.